In this video lesson, I will show you what is the pip value for indices GER30. And also I will leave a link below in the description so you can check also the article and also get this pip value calculator to calculate the values for take profit or stop loss or any other number of pips you would like. Inside the article you will see all the details how the pip value calculator works and also what are the calculations made and also how to use this pip value calculator. But remember, there are very important notes that you need to remember. I will explain that a little bit later on. Now let me show you what is inside this pip value calculator, which fields it has and also how to use it. First field is the number of pips. You enter here the number of pips you would like to calculate the value in the currency US dollar. I have put 1 because I would like to calculate what is the value of 1 pip for the GER30 indices. Here is the instrument that I have selected. There is no other indices here, so you cannot change this one. The volume or the lot size says how much lots do you want to open on your order to calculate the pip value. Then you have also the number of units, which means how much is your contract size. This I will explain a little bit later. Then you have here a pip size, which tells you at which decimal point is the number of pips. So when you go to the trading platform, just have in mind that on my trading platform I'm using a German 40 instead of 30, but it is the same one. You can see that the current market price, it has 2 decimal points, which means the second decimal point is the number of pip. So when this 70 changes to 71, it will mean that this price has changed by 1 pip. Then you have here Euro USD, which is additional currency pair price. I have set this to 1, so it doesn't affect the calculation. I will also explain later on, which is very important to remember. And then when you are ready, simply click calculate and you get that 1 pip for the GER30 indices is equal to $0.01. I have here a deposit currency US dollar. Now let's do one example. I will open a new order. I will put a volume to 1 and I will open a sell order. Now you can see here I have minus 400 pips and now it says that it is $4.35. When you put this one here, 400, you should get the same value here, 4.35, and you can see there is like the difference, 35 is missing. And this is why. Go here to the market watch and also click the right mouse button here where your indices symbol is. In this case I have German 40. Click specification. In this window, you have few informations that are very important, and you need to also check that with your broker or here inside the trading platform. First, the very important information is the contract size. You can see contract size is set to 1, which means 1 lot has 1 unit. And that means when you go here to the pip value calculator, 1 lot you do not change, but here the number of units you need to set what is set in your trading platform. In my case it's set to 1. But for example, if you go to the Euro USD, which is a Forex pair, go to specification and it says that the contract size is 100,000 units. All Forex pairs has 100,000 units equal for 1 lot. And that means in this case indices, for the German indices 30 and 40, it has 1 lot equal to 1 unit. So you need to put this one here. If you would use currency pair for the Forex pairs, you would put here 100,000 units. And then also the calculation will be different. You can see it. So remember to put this one here, which is very important to calculate the correct pip value information. Second one, very important information, is the margin currency, which is the euro, which means all the calculations done here on the trading platform here for the current price is with the euro. And I have US dollar as a deposit currency. So when I click calculate here, I get 4 instead 4.35, which we have seen before. And that means you need to calculate the US dollar value instead of the euro. This one here is equal to euro, 4 euros, but you need to have that in US dollar, and to do that you need to put here the current market price for the US dollar. So simply go here to the trading platform and read this one, 1.0831. Click calculate and you will get the value in the US dollar. So this one will be the same as this one in the trading platform. For example, let's put 1100, which will be 11.97. So if I put here 1100, I will get here $11.97. It is the same value we got here. So this Pip value calculator can be very helpful to calculate the Pip value for these indices, for the GER30 and also for the GER40. For example, if we change this one, modify order, and for example, let's set to 10,000 and also 10,000 points as a stop loss and take profit. And let's check them here on the trading platform. So before opening an order, for example, you could put here 1,000 units. You could put here and check how much that money would be for the US dollar. So take profit would be equal to $108.83 and the stop loss would be the same. So if that is okay with you and you would like to open the order with this stop loss and also take profit, you can simply open an order and put this one number of pips. So if you change this one, for example, if I put 10,400, click calculate, I should get the same Pip value as it is here. You can see it is 130.18 here, but it is 19 here. There is a small difference because also about the rounding number in the calculation inside the trading platform and also inside this Pip value calculator. So it is slightly different, but you understand the logic. The idea is to get the Pip value for the number of pips before opening an order, just in order to check is the number of pips in the US dollar is okay with you before opening an order or not. So simply put here the number of pips that you would check and also click calculate to get the value in the US dollar. So remember, inside the article I have put notes regarding the units, the contract size, and also here about the currency. So you need to pay attention. That is very important before calculating, because if you do not check this one and you put here incorrect information, you will not get the correct Pip value for these indices. Also below that you will see an example here, how to check the specification, what to watch here, and also an example how to calculate the Pip value for a basic currency, for the quote currency, and also for the third currency. So if you have any questions regarding this Pip value calculator, simply leave a comment and I will try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!